How to create an effect on SignalRGB. So in SignalRGB, you should be able to directly find your effects here in your library. So you have, of course, your installed free effects. You could go ahead and choose from any of these, of course, and just edit them yourself. You could change them to whatever you prefer. You can change the layout of the specific effect. You could go ahead and change the shift speed. If you're going for the solid color, there's that option, of course. But if you want to get another effect, you can also go ahead to your preferred browser and search for sRGB mods effect creator. Press on the first link and you should be able to get to this website over here where you can create your effect. So basically here you go ahead and choose your objects, you go ahead and add them, you change the color, the size, basically the configuration of whatever effect you want. But once you're done with doing all that, this should be your layout over here. You can put a name and then effect name, effect description, basically what it does. Then you can load an example before you save it, but once you're done, you can go ahead and press on save current state. That way you can load it whenever you want, but if you want the file itself, you can press on generate effect file and you're gonna have to place it over here. So the generated file needs to be placed into the documents, whirlwind effect effects. So press on generate file, then you will get the effect over here. What you're gonna have to do now is just go ahead to the SignalRGB's file section in your Windows. Here in the application, you'll be able to see the user directory. So just go ahead over there. So once you're in the Whirlwind FX, which is inside documents, you can go ahead to the effects and basically just paste in the downloaded thing you got from the website. So here's mine over here. All you do is paste it, but you're gonna have to restart your SignalRGB before you start it. So just go ahead and reopen SignalRGB. So once you reopen SignalRGB and go back to the library, you should be able to see your custom free effect. But that's pretty much how you made effects in SignalRGB. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.